Okay, 2020 Freightliner Cascadia DD15. Here is air filter. The will be 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I already got them loose, so you just pull this. The bolts are coming with the plastic. So we don't lose them. Now just put him here. That's the old filter. I already got him like twice with the air. I did air off, so you can't do it no more. Then I take a rag and wipe it a little bit. Wipe it here. It's clean and nice. It's quick, like 10 minutes job. Then the filter, I think I paid like $130. So 1 second, let me take the filter out. 1 second. Putting on. With this sticker up, and then you put this back. I'm gonna wipe this too with my rag, and then you just put it back like this. 1 second, let me wipe it. Rag. 1 second. Then like that is 8mm socket, and like I say, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. That's it. Thank you.